My name is Stephanie Labonte, and this is my Deliverable 6 submission for Visual Communications in the Media course. I'm creating this webpage for North Star Medical Center. The previous page has been left unattended to, is in desperate need of an update. When designing the website, it is important to consider the preferences and visuals that each patient and client may have. When we consider visual organization, there are a number of things that must be thought about when designing a website. We want to make sure that the information that we're providing is not cluttered and allows the user to fluidly navigate the website. Information should be sorted together by subject, which I have demonstrated by having individual pages for each topic. This provides potential patients and clients a way to navigate to a specific area depending on what information it is that they are searching for. It is important when designing a web page that the potential viewers be considered as to what the ease of navigation will be for them when trying to use the website. Since visual design has a big focus on clarity and keeping the viewers engaged, the design should be displayed in a way that is visually pleasing and portrays the information in the clearest way possible. The content that I have put within my webpage displays a hierarchical order that I feel satisfies the potential viewer's desires when visiting the webpage. The information is clearly organized, and the labels provide a significant insight into what information each tab will bring you to when you click it. I also wanted to make sure that the website was simple in regards to the design and content within the website. By keeping the design and layout in a simpler fashion, we reduce the likelihood of a potential customer or client feeling frustrated with the web page and making them instead feel a sense of comfort while navigating the page. Oftentimes, when patients are visiting a medical center's webpage, it is because they are dealing with something personal, and the ease of finding a doctor or information quickly can be quite welcomed and cause a client to feel at home within our facility. Another aspect I considered was the need for clean lines and the appropriate use of white space. Patients that are in need of care will be drawn in by the cleanliness of the site. By making sure that the page is balanced, it can reduce the probability of users feeling overwhelmed by the site's layout. Interactive content is content that is included that allows a user to interact with the facility without an actual conversation having to take place. These types of tools within web pages allow users to feel more comfortable, as well as being able to navigate in an easier fashion. I have included in a number of ways for the patients to interact with the website. I have included an interactive box for patients to know what the current wait time within the ER is at, a search bar for patients and clients to seek specific information, a search area for patients and clients to seek out potential medical professionals for their ailment, an option for patients to sign up for an account that allows them to pay bills or view medical information, and a number of other ways that users can interact with the website. These individual aspects to the website can engage patients on a higher level and encourage them to utilize the services of this particular medical center. The greater amount of interactive content within a website, the broader the reach that the facility can have on potential clients. We want to be considering all types of people and their individual needs. Using graphs and charts to present certain data to viewers allows information to be shared in a way that is easy to understand. It allows more viewers to understand certain information that may be used to help explain results or information that's being given. By using charts or graphs, website designers are able to utilize a smaller amount of space for the same amount of information to be shared. It also provides a more professional feel and is more intriguing to the eye than your traditional verbiage being typed out. The visual incentive can more thoroughly engage your viewer and encourage their support of the business overall. When selecting the images for the web page, I wanted to start with an image of the facility on a beautiful day. The colors are vibrant and intriguing. The establishment looks clean and modern, which can help instill trust within potential patients or clients. I wanted to be sure to include a diversity throughout the images chosen. It is imperative that we be inclusive and encourage all cultures to seek our services. And by displaying diversity in our images, we initiate feelings of comfort, inclusion, and a sense of belonging within our viewers. By including a variety of races, we enhance the probability of a user feeling connection with the images and provide an opportunity to connect with the viewer on another level. Another thing I wanted to portray in the images that are displayed in the About Us section was the variety in services and people that we can help. I wanted to have a sense of organization amongst the images as well. I decided to start on the left-hand side of the page with an image of the infant in the neonatal intensive care unit, and ended on the right with a man in his older years of life to demonstrate the wide span of ability to care for patients, no matter the age. I specifically chose the images of the children to spark emotion within some of the viewers, as well as many people find these types of images bring a variety of feelings to them when exposed to them. By tapping into those emotional responses from our viewers, we are able to build a stronger connection with our viewers and encourage lifelong relationships with them.